Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Educare Academy. Hope you all are doing very well with your PTE practice. Guys, I am here again with an important topic of your PTE which will be very beneficial for you. And our today's topic is reading. I am going to explain you the certain tricks which are very beneficial in reading. So let's get started. With the first thing, generally students think that the reading is far more arduous than any other modules of the PTE, but no, this is not true. If you are concentrated very well, then it will be very easy. So let's start with the first, which is read and write the blanks. In read and write the blanks, you are given the fill-ups with the options in the shutter form. You have to click on option and there are 4 options below for a single fill-ups. So in these kind of fill-ups, read the whole content very carefully with the prepositions and conjunctions keeping in mind. Only after that choose the right answer. And one thing you should keep in mind that in the 4 options, there will be a different word with a different vocabulary. 98% of chances are that is the answer. Always click the different word in read and write the blanks if you want to succeed in your read and write. Next one is the multiple choice multiple answers. The trick in these kind of questions is that the carefully you read, higher the chances you will succeed. So you should carefully read all the content and then select the options. But keep in mind there is negative marking in the multiple choice multiple answers. Only select 1 or 2 options if you are 100% sure. If you are not sure about the answer, then never click on that because there will be negative marking. And after that you will get the multiple choice single answer. As you know that you have to click on a single answer in the multiple choice single answer. The trick is same here. You have to read the whole passage very carefully. But don't worry, there is no negative marking in the multiple choice single answer. So it will be easy for you rather than the multiple choice multiple answers. And the next is fill-ups. These are the fill-ups are different from the read and write the blanks because in these fill-ups there are similar options for all of the fill-ups. And carefully read the passage and then select the fill-ups. And an useful trick here is that if you are facing any kind of difficulty in finding the correct answer, then you can eliminate the options on which you have doubt. By this there are less options from which you have to select the correct answer, and in this way you will find it easier to get full marks in the reading fill-ups. And the most important in reading is the reorder paragraph. Many of the students think that it is very difficult to reorder the paragraphs in the correct sequence, but they are not as difficult as you think. Just you have to find out the general statement which have to be put on the first place, and after that while selecting the other option, look out for the connection between the ending of the first sentence and the starting of the sentence which will be put on the second place. In this way you can reorder the whole paragraph. And one thing more guys, never forget to reread the whole data after reordering the paragraph to find out if there is any error in that or not. So that's all for today's reading module, because these are the tips which are very useful to you while you are doing your reading module. So if you have any other queries or questions regarding any other module of PTE, then do comment in the section given below. Thank you so much.